Are you suffering from organic and functional complaints of liver and gallbladder? Or from cholecystography, calculi, disturbances of the biliary secretion, hepatitis, swelling of the abdomen? If it's not, then you may have lack of appetite, bitter taste in mouth, flatulence, constipation, weariness after meals, irritation, hypochondria. Then you have to watch this video completely, which will help you a lot. Hello everyone. Welcome to Homeopathicology channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The liver is capable of repairing itself. However, symptoms of the liver disease should be identified early and not allowed to worsen for effective treatment. Liver is indispensable for maintaining healthy and proper body functioning. Alcohol abuse or prolonged medication, unhygienic food, etc. cause liver disorders. Some of the associated symptoms of liver disease treated by Dr. Reckeweg: 7 drops. R7 drops for liver and gallbladder is a German specialty homeopathy medicine, also known by the name of hypochondria. R7 drops for symptoms of liver disease contains Carduus marianus, Chelidonium Cholesterinum Lycopodium Nux vomica. Dosage is generally 3 times a day, 10-15 drops in some water before meals. It comes in 22 ml sealed bottle. R7 price is 220 rupees, 440 PKR and $5 only. Please do forget to like and comment. Do subscribe to get the updates.